Today we are going to learn from alphabet drawing. Okay, first alphabet A. From A, just go curve line, up, come down like a fish. Okay, just like a fish. Now a little bit curve like a C. Now double line, the wings. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. From A, one more is there. If you find this is difficult, I will show you one more. See. A. Now extend this line till the end. Now one U. Okay. Then up and down, and one curved line. This will be the face of angel. A for angel. Hands go slanting. This will be like a V. Okay. Curve line 1, 2, 3. This will be the fingers. A star stick. Curve. Curve. Hands. And here I'm going to give curve lines. Just up and down. Like a U. Done. See, this way from A we can do angel and aeroplane. So next drawing from B. I'm going to show you first a difficult one and one easy one. See, draw B. After drawing B, see, curve this line little bit. I will show you a little bit closer. Yes. Now go sleeping line. Here also go sleeping line. This and this sleeping line. Then one small N. Then C like this. And lines 1, 2, 3. So this will be the finger. And he is holding a candy. Now from here go straight. Curve line till down. One C here. Join the line. Curve. Standing. Slipping. Now tiny eyes, small nose, a smiley face. Now he is sitting on the chair. See, curve line, slipping line, standing line, curve and curve. Two slanting line. This way the baby is ready. Now if you find this difficult, I have one easy one. Chalo. Draw a B. B for, we have drawn first baby. Now we are going to draw, from B we are going to draw a bird. So now join this line. See, join this line. Okay, draw a small tiny eyes. This B. Now the tail. Curve, 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 and come at. Now draw a slipping line here. So it will be a branch. He is sitting on the branch. Now just look like a feather. Children, if you want, you can color by your choice. You have to color by your choice. Now see, from B you can draw bird and you can draw baby also. So whichever you like, you can draw it, and you can decorate the cap also, the baby's cap also. Okay, this way your baby is ready. Now next alphabet C, and then difficult. See, draw first C, a big C. I want no small drawing, children. See, this big C. Now I'm going to do a double line, little bit coming. See, here thin to the thick one. See, very small, then I'm coming big one. Okay. Now here I'm going up and down, up and down, up and down. Now a big eyes, the crocodile, teeth going up and down and up and down. This way your teeth will come. You're also up and down, up and down. Done. The crocodile is ready now. Only the legs. It's very easy, children. You can do it very nicely and very beautifully. You are going to do, and you're going to click your photo and send to me also. Okay, you can show the texture of the crocodile also. Okay, just I'm going to show the lines. So this way your crocodile is ready. This is the easy one. Now I'm going to take one more, little bit difficult. It's okay, na children? You can do it. Yeah. Chalo, make a big C. Again a big C. Children, I want big C. Now get this line curve like this. Then W. Okay, this will be his mouth. See, here I had drawn W. Now again curve, leaf shape, his horn. Now, okay, now leaf shape here, and it will be the eyes. Now here, go slipping, slipping, and one small tiny box. Slipping and do like a box. Come slanting down. Now do like this. 2. Can you see the 2? See, I had drawn 2. Now curve and join this. And this will be the remaining one will be the tail. This way, C for cow. So you had to learn 2 drawings of sea and crocodile and cow. So you can color by yourself. Now next one. First I'm going to show you very easy. Okay. Now draw D. Draw D this way. Now extend this line like this. Go curve line and come down till here. Now his wings. Curve it this way. And eyes. Finish. Dolphin is ready. D for dolphin. One more we are going to learn. Now hold here. I'm holding it in a standing line. Okay. Draw a D, big D now. How much? Big one D. Now come here. Okay. Now just do your U, a big U, little bit space leaving. Then curve line. Again I'm going to draw W and curve and one small U. So it will look like a tongue. Now one U here, one leaf shape. So it will be the eyes. This standing line. Go slipping. 1, 2. His legs finger. Now one more leg. 1, 2. And this curve line will come here. And this will be like a tail. See. This will be the tail. You can color your dog as you want. Now done. You had learned from D, dolphin, and we are going to learn from E. E for, we are going to do E for elephant. Okay, this is E. Now leaf shape, join this curve line, you will get the face of elephant immediately. And this trunk will go like this, double line. Done. Now just go curve till down. Then this standing line, slipping line, again standing line. This will be curve line. Then standing, slipping, slanting, slipping, slanting, slipping. Now just like that. You. And the tail. You can decorate this as you want. I'm just drawing a simple flower. You can design your own. This way, E for elephant. Now one more. Chalo. E is done. That is the easiest one. So I'm not showing you the 2 drawings. I'm showing only 1 drawing. For F, I will show you 2 because some children might find difficult. So F. Okay, this is F. Now bring this line down, curve like this. Okay. Now this line will be straight, and this will be the hands of the frog. Then join little bit slipping, curve it, slanting, again zigzag, and you will get the legs. Tiny nose or big eyes. This way your little bit spots. So this way your frog is ready. F for frog. Now one more I'm going to show you a easy one. Okay. Chalo. We will draw a easy one also. Who cannot draw the F? Now bring this line down, extend this line, then touch this line. Okay. Bring this line also, extend it and curve it. Smiley and the eyes. It's easy. Chalo. F is done. Very easy, children. So you can do it. See. G. Now just do U here. Okay. Go slanting here. This line you extend till down. Okay. This way you are extending the line. Now make a U here. The horns. Now bring curve. Okay. Go down. Straight. Legs. Straight lines legs. Now curve. Okay. Now it's ready. Goat. G for goat. One more easy I'm going to show you. Very easy now. Okay. Draw a big G. What you are going to draw? Big G. Okay. Now eyes. Done. Immediately you will find. Now go this curve, touch the line, come here, inside, do the double line. Done. G for Ganesha. Done. So you had learned 2 from G. H. C. H. Now extend this line down, close the line. This also. Do the curve line like a balloon. See. This is like a balloon. Okay. Now join this line, go straight. Curve triangles to show the wings. Now the helicopter is ready. This way, from H you can do helicopter. Now one more, draw H. Now going to cross this line, go straight like a U, okay, till the end. Now curve little bit, okay, go curve, 1, 2, curve, this way. Now go straight, and draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Now just close it this way. See, can you see the hand? Yeah, I'm drawing this way. Just the lines. See, can you see the lines here? So I'm drawing the same one. Now just the sleeves are there. So H for hand. H, I. I for lizard. Yeah. Now this curve line, and that's all. So easy. Legs are done. Very easy. Okay, this way. Now I'm J. Draw big. Draw J. Now bring this line straight down and join it. So this will be the face now. Curve. Nose. A smiley face. I'm just going to draw the smiley face with the red color pencil. See, now this is ready. Now his cap. Okay, this way. Now his hairline. Okay, just I'm going to do his hairline. Okay. His dress. He wears very colorful dress, so you can color this nicely. I'm just going to show you a little bit, not too much. So from J you had learned Joker. So next, now K. K for, I'm going to draw, just extend this line. Okay, see, I'm drawing first a crown, then going slipping here. Now hairline, just going zigzag. Okay, now the eyes, nose, his mustache, okay, and his little bit is mouth, this way. See, now you're going to extend this line like this, lining, slipping, curve like this, slipping, this will be the finger. I'm going to extend this. Now slipping line, do curve and draw lines, and this will be, he's holding his sword, okay, his weapon, and this is the belt. So your king is ready. K for king. Difficult. See children, now L for ladybird. Yeah, I'm going to show you ladybird this way. Now draw a curve. You can take the help of any cap also to make a curve. Okay, just after coming here, join this line so it will look like a A. I'm going to draw a slipping lines. Okay, the spots. Now his head. So this is the easiest one. Okay, this is the easiest one to draw ladybird from L. Now I'm going to show you one difficult one also. Yes, this is a difficult, not so difficult, but yes, Some children very easy. Now after drawing this L, now draw a ulta C here. Draw your Seedha, a small tiny smiley face. Now draw V, curve line, one curve line like this, one curve line like this, leaf shape, okay, on both the side. Now your U, from here go slanting, then straight, your C, your ulta C, and curve line, and his hair, curve, and curve. L for lion. Yes. Now M. Children, till M, this will be the last drawing, and in next part we are going to learn the remaining alphabets. Okay, in one video you will get tired, so I am going to show you in next video. From N to Z we will learn in next part. So after doing this M, just do a curve line like this, two curve lines on his the head, small tiny eyes, one small round here, moustache, then one U, join it a big U, okay, one hand like this slanting, your hand, he is holding the cheese. Now the legs, just do curve, that's all, and his tail. The mouse is ready. So children, you can I'm going to show you one more. If you want, you can do monkey also, a very easy one. Okay, this is little bit difficult, not so difficult. So M is here, M. Now see, extend this line, go curve. I will just show you. See, done. Now just curve. So this will be the first hand of his. Now curve his tail. Okay, now go up till the end. Okay, now just a curve line, zigzag line, curve this way. I will show you the face in close up. See, just curve. Okay, one more. The hands will go down. He is holding the branch. So we are going to show that he is holding the branch. This is the branch. He is sitting on the branch. See, now the other hand will coming from here down. See, and he is holding the branch. One branch is in his hand. Okay, some fruits are there, so he want to remove. See, I had done a branch. Now the hands. See, go slipping little bit, go slanting. Okay, this will be the thumb and the lines, just that much. Okay, eyes. So this way your monkey is ready. So M for monkey, M for what we have done, mouse. Whichever easy you feel, do it. Now children, you have to color it. You can draw on the book, or you can make these flashcards also for the alphabet drawing. So till M in the first part we will be continue. I'm going to send you the second part in the next week. So till then, take care, finish your drawing, complete it, color it, and draw into your drawing book, or you can draw into your paper also. Use the half portion. See, this way one drawing and other drawing here. This way you can draw in your drawing book also. But I'm going to use like a flashcard, so I'm doing on the paper. You can do as you like. Till then, take care and see you.